Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to do a consumer unit swap over. It's a RCBO 8-way consumer unit, but I'll be adding another one, will be 9, but I'm gonna leave it spare as well. Actually it's a post office. I've been called out to this post office last week, and the consumer unit they have, it's a very old one. It's one of the old wide ones, and there's actually 3 other small consumer units there, but I'm just going to combine them all and put it into one. The reason why I'm going for the RCBO is because I don't want them to, if it's a dual RCD one, if something happens, the RCD will trip most of the power. So I thought, you know what, it's worth going with the RCBO, so it only isolates the certain line or the faults. So anyway, I'm gonna go in. It's a Sunday today, and it's the post office is closed. It's the only day they can keep it closed, and it's ideal for me to turn the power off and get the consumer unit changed over. So what I've done is I've unloaded my van, took everything that I need, and got all set up. I'm gonna do my testing before I start putting the new one in, and hopefully once it's all okay, then I'll be ready to put it in. So I'll go inside and I'll do further clips while I'm doing it. Hello guys, so I'm back in the post office. I got all my tools ready, and I got the consumer unit ready as well, so I'll show you what I'm about to do today. So this is where the connections are, and the consumer unit in the old consumer unit is. There's one here, and also there's another one here, and there's a quite old isolator which is not working anymore. So I'm just going to get rid of this one, tidy all that up. There's also another broken socket hanging here, so I'm going to take that out and isolate that. See, and here there's another fuse here as well with the switch. So I'm just going to take that off and combine it and put one here. And also I'll be upgrading this earth cable as well. So it's quite, you know, it's about 10 mil, but I'm going to upgrade it to 16 mil. The consumer unit that I have is the RCBO. It's a BG 8-way, but I'm gonna add another one, 2 spares, so it's gonna leave me with 1 spare, just in case they need to add something in the future. So I'm gonna be doing my testing now. I'm gonna take this apart and just do all the testing, and once it's all done, I'll label it all out, and hopefully I'll be installing the new consumer unit. Hello everyone, I just managed to take the old consumer unit out, and I've actually labelled all my wires so I know which is what. And also I've took the main the meter tails out, and I'm going to be replacing it with the 25mm meter tails. I've took the earth cables out, the one that was here, about 6mm earth cable. Also they've done a connection here and taped it up, so I took this out and we're just going to replace it with a 16mm earth cable. So I can't see any other bonding, but when I've looked at the water, because there's a post office, and the water comes in from the front, and it's actually lead, so I'll have to sort something out for this one. So this one here, there's another small unit, and it's actually going for the data socket, so that's just powering the socket. So I'll take that out, and there was another box here on the top, which was this one here. So this was on the top, so I took that out, and I'm going to take these cables out as well, and basically they're not in use, so I'll cut them out, tape them up and put them away. So once I take this one out here. This is what I'm about to take out now. Once I take this out, label the wire, and then put them all together here. And this one with the wire going from the top, bring that in and put it in together as well. So I've just managed to finish off installing the RCBO Consumer unit. So it took me a while because of the space, but anyway, I got there at the end. So if you see here, I tried my best to get it nice and neat as possible, but because of the space, it's literally very small. I've got a sore knee now and a sore back as well because of this little thing here. It's impossible. It's really hard to get your hand around to get the connections in. But if you see the earlier on when I was doing the first clip, we had a box here. Also there was another box that was here as well. I got rid of this one and this one. There was another one here as well on that side. So I got rid of every one of them, combined it all into one. So this connection here is coming in through the top, and also I had to upgrade the F cable as well to 16mm. So they're all coming in together. The meter tells the live, neutral, and the F coming in together. And also I've actually done this one here as well. There was a broken socket that was hanging, so I got rid of this. This wire here, it's dead at the minute. It's kind of coming off this one. There used to be a fuse spare here which wasn't in use, so I got rid of that. When I come round again, I'll be hopefully coming round soon to upgrade all the sockets, all the light switches. They are quite old, so I'll be changing them, and then I'll get rid of this wire as well. The reason why I can't get rid of this wire now is when I pull, literally the whole thing comes off. But anyway, it's dead, so it's not doing anything. It's no danger to anybody. So what I'll do now, I've done my testing, I've done everything, it's all working. Power's back on. So I went around, checked everything, checked the polarity, done my live test, done my dead test, everything. And so I'm just going to put the cover back on, and once the cover's in, I'll label it all, and it'll be time to go home as well. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.